Hey guys, welcome back. It's the 15th, 16th, and 17th of July 2025. Let's talk about it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 today when 7 years. And tomorrow, the big project begins with React, Sustand, GSAP, and more technologies. Is going to be pretty hardcore, so if you're interested in that, please make sure to subscribe. All right, let's get into it. So, basic announcement is that we are working behind the scenes to actually to get a new job, but also we are trying to switch jobs at the same time. Now that might sound complicated. Basically, I got let go from my job, and now we are also looking for a temporary job while we are looking for like also a more technical job. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the announcement. Let's get into the daily content. So we have been very consistent about the stuff when it comes to what we have scheduled for the quarter 3. So if you don't know that, you can click on my website, and on my website you can basically see where we are heading. One of the things that we are currently doing is that we are working on the big projects called MERN, and we're specifically working on some kind of booking.com project. And the reason why I'm doing that, because it is very likely that somewhere in my journey I will end up having a MERN booking job, because it's one of the biggest companies that is hiring in my country. Now, that I'm said, it's just for the long period, right? You never know what happens. So I thought I will prepare for this. So yeah, the second thing that we have been working on is actually the JavaScript array methods. Yeah, we're just trying to do things consistently, but they're unfortunately not streamable because there's copyright issues when I do. And we got a copyright strike almost a half year ago that will expire like next week, and we don't want to have that again. So that is one of the reasons we are not streaming this content. But as of tomorrow, we will stream something that is not copyright infringed, so that's going to be pretty exciting. So yeah, that is why the streams will be back tomorrow. And yeah, there's nothing much to say. I'm trying to keep things consistent. On the 28th of July, or I think the 31st of July somewhere, my project, what I'm currently working on, which is the booking, will end, and then we will slowly transition to an actual more full stack application using AppWrite. So that's going to be pretty exciting. And yeah, that is also unfortunately not streamable, but we have things coming up like Nox.js and SvelteKit projects that's going to be pretty advanced, and we're going to use a lot of AI with that. And the reason why we're doing that is because we don't want to waste time to do too much SvelteKit, not to do too much Nox.js, because we are focusing on React. We're not focusing on the other stacks. Those stacks are only convenient just because of resume reasons. All right, so we also have a secret project coming on, and that will be announced somewhere in the end of September, maybe earlier. We'll see how things will go. So yeah, I'm gonna round this video off. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 today in 7 years, and I will see you into the next one.